These are directions on how to complete your combining like term center. We will learn how to do this concept on Friday, so it's important that you are watching this video to learn how to do this if you're trying to complete this center before then. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight or make different shapes around all of the different variables and numbers that I have. Okay, so I'm going to do circles around anything that has an X. And then I'm going to do squares around anything that's just a number by itself. So I can see here I have two types of terms. One that has an X in it and one that has no variables in it. Okay, now I'm going to draw my T-chart, which I'm going to put right here. This side is going to be X's and this side is going to be numbers. So I'm going to write all of the different things I have into the correct column. So on the X's side, I have a 3X, so I'm going to put that here. And I have a 2X, so those are both going to go on the X side. Okay, now on the number side, I have a 4 and I have a 7. Okay, now I'm just going to add these together. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Bring the X down. And then 4 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 11. These are all addition signs, right? Addition, 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 which means this will also be addition in here. So my answer to this one would be 5x plus 11. Okay, you can see down here it says to color the answer pink. So on this page, I can look for 5x plus 11, and I'll color all the 5x plus 11s pink. Okay, and there might be more than just that one, but you'll color all of them in pink. Okay, I will do one more for us. I'm going to do number 3. I'm going to skip number 2. Okay, so I'm going to start with, I'm going to put circles around anything with an X. And I'm going to put squares around anything that's just a regular number. Make my T-chart. X, numbers. So I got an X by itself, another X by itself, another X by itself. Okay, then I have a 2, which goes on the number side, and another 2. Okay, now I'm just going to add them together. Something that you will learn on Friday is whenever you have variables, like we do here, that have no number in front of them, there's actually an indivisible 1. We just don't write it because that's a lot of work. So I know that right now I invisibly have 1s in front of all these X's, which means when I combine them together, when I add them together right now, I'm going to be adding 1 plus 1 plus 1, which I know is 3. So this will be 3, bring down the X. Okay, now for the number side, 2 plus 2 is 4. So this answer, when I combine my like terms, is 3x plus 4. Okay, this one says to color in the answer blue. So I'm going to look for 3x plus 4 and color all of those in blue. Okay, if you have any questions, please talk to the people in your group before talking to your teacher. I know this one is a coloring one, so you're able to see the different answer choices, but your work still needs to be shown. I did 2 problems and I still have work in both of my boxes. I should always see work in your boxes for these problems. If there is no work and you turn it in, you will do it again or add your work in.